Woodward West. About to get down.
Look at how young we were. Can you imagine dropping in on that? Oh yes, this is the most legendary clip ever. We got some super sad news in the skateboard world this past week. Woodward West, one of my absolute favorite places, is closing down. Super sad. We used to go there every single year and we'd make tons of videos and it was super rad to skate, make tutorial videos, hang out and just have an absolute blast. And it was the best time. And the fact that it is gone is completely gut-wrenching. I decided what I can do to give a big shout out to Woodward West and a huge thank you for all of the hospitality is to watch the Woodward West Epic Day in the Life. This video was recorded 11 years ago. 11 years ago. And it was one of my favorite ones, the best time. And I'm excited to just get in and check this video out and check out, give an honorary mention to Woodward West. Shout out Woodward West, let's go.
So we're halfway to LA and we're at In-N-Out.
In-N-Out with Lance and Gabe.
We're going to Woodward where they have wood and words.
So stupid.
And it's in the West.
I love how Lance has the like bucket shirt. It's Gabe's shirt. A days in my life for wood and words.
No, that's not for us.
YouTube was such a different place back then. You just went and had fun and filmed it, that was it.
Oh my God.
Pop-Tarts, yes, the food that we had. Look at how young we were. Is he gonna go show the golf
I
course?
can't see it, but you see that golf course down there?
You know what's so funny is now Gabe's like an avid golfer. Now we know why. Golf life. He went from skating to golfing because of this video 11 years ago. He didn't even realize it. Shout out Gabe Cruz, you're the best. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this was our first ever time to Woodward ever. Yes. And the mega ramp was there. So quick story, they ended up taking down this mega ramp because it was too dangerous. It was literally this colossal thing down a giant hill, over a giant ramp, into a giant quarter pipe. If you guys saw the video where we went to Bob Burnquist's house, Bob Burnquist's house was safe. This one, I don't totally know why. Something about the way it was built, super dangerous. Can you imagine dropping in on that? No. No way. Literally down a mountain into a jump, guys. I remember we were so like, they gave us bracelets and said VIP, so sick. Chocolate chip cookie for breakfast. This is Gabe Cruz right here, Gabe Cruz life. Straight legend. Dude, the Junction, the first time we ever been there. Now, there's even way more parks than this. There's brand new parks that were gotten built since this was even there. I mean, I guess it makes sense, it was 11 years ago. I love how we go, we're like, we're gonna go skate, and then we go straight to the trampolines.
Woodward West. About to get down.
I also love how they have all these things. There's just so much to do there, and it's so much fun. It is so sad that this is gone. It sucks. Lance with the front flip, first try. Backside 360 on the snowboard. Method, Aaron, do a method, let's go. There it was, there it was. Yes, and then the trampoline skateboard. Wow, that was amazing. Let's see if I can kickflip. Oh, there it was. It's amazing that this is 11 years ago and I still remember the tricks that I was doing. Benihana. Benihana finger flip. Back flip. Boom. So much fun. Leave it in the comments below if you guys love trampolines. If you love trampolines and Woodward West, leave it in the comments below. Let's go, Gabe. Oh, so scary. Yes. Gabe on the trampoline snowboard, unrivaled. I love how, okay, now at this point, we've been there for quite some time. No skateboarding. Notice how we haven't even got on the skateboard yet. We're just like, trampoline, day in the life, let's go. And I love how everything was just like, put on a fisheye lens. Fisheye lens the camera and we just go and we have fun. Okay, here we go, some skateboarding. Yes, that thing is crazy. So I'm pretty sure that we were filming a bunch of videos, just not for this video, if I remember correctly. Okay, let's go. Half cab, board slide 270. Called it. First try, called it. I knew it. This park is slippery but fun, but oh so fun. Let's go. Manual. Oop, nose manu. Nose manu 180 even. I also love that classic Braille t-shirt. We just got that remade. Oh, ollied onto the board, other person's board. Kickflip off, let's go. Nope, missed it. Come on, I gotta get some reverts in there. There we go, revert, first try. I love skateboarding. Why is this so, just the best thing ever? So much fun, Woodward West. Okay, that was not a trick, that was not a manual. That was fake manual. That also fake manual, but I like it. I do like that trick. It is fun to do. Gabe with the fat ollie. Backside 180, so legendary. And then that camper just comes and busts a fat tray flip. That's what I love about Woodward West. Gabe Cruz coming up hot. No way. Tray flip primo slide. He almost landed that. Full cab. Gabriel, so good. Kick flip, first try. Man, it was just such good times. It was just go out, ride your skateboard, have fun. Bodied. I really miss Woodward West. I really miss going there with Lance and Gabe.
I landed a fakey bigger flip and a double heel flip about 20 minutes ago. Holding it down here at Woodward.
Double heel flip, hardest trick ever. When I was doing that today, I learned that was the absolute hardest one that I've ever done. I should tell the whole story of that. It's a pretty good story.
We went down to town, went to an Albertsons, went to Pizza Hut.
And now we're gonna eat the pizza.
Now we're gonna eat the pizza.
This is what skateboarding is about. You wake up early, you go have breakfast, you skate all day. And then at the end of the night, when you can no longer move your legs, you go and get a pizza.
You almost pizza in my lens.
Oh yes, this is the most legendary clip ever.
Oh my gosh!
I gotta explain this clip. Okay, he's going down slow-mo. Look at this speed wobble, so scary. Oh my God, I can't believe that's how he ended the video. So legendary. I gotta explain that last clip. Okay, so Lance is terrified of this roll-in. It's basically a roll-in and then you hit a jump into a foam pit. It is safe because you're going down and you're going up a jump into a foam pit, right? Super safe, there's nothing scary about that. The one thing that could go wrong is if you were going down and you got speed wobbles and you fell in the ramp that you're hitting up like this and you go into the ramp. And we were trying to get him to do it all week and then finally he goes and he gets speed wobbles and I'm thinking, oh no, he's going down. And he hits the ramp and he barely goes over it, like his hip actually grazes the top, meaning he literally got 0 inches, 0 millimeters of air. He actually grazed, like moved over the top of it the whole time. And then he goes into the ramp and he's like, did I get air? It was like literally the only time you could ever like not get air. Is so funny. Okay, Woodward West closing. This news hit me really hard. It's really kind of hard to grasp. Why is Woodward West closing? I mean, I can only guess. I have all manner of guesses of what occurred and what's happening, but I guess it's just like, this is skateboarding, guys. I feel like we need to come together and bring some new skateboarding, some new blood in, some new skaters. If we had, I've said this before in earlier videos, if all of the people that started skateboarding in 2020 continued skateboarding, 2020, guys, it was 5 years ago, but there were a lot of people who got a skateboard for the very first time that year. The lockdowns happened and people were like, I need something to do. I need a hobby. Well, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up skateboarding. And if all of those people were still skateboarding to this day, I believe in my heart of hearts that Woodward West would still be open and it would still be going. So how do we recreate that? How do we do what occurred in 2020? We're definitely not gonna have another lockdown. We're definitely not going through that again. That is not the way, but we gotta be positive. We gotta keep pushing. We gotta support skateboarding and help new skaters get into skateboarding. You gotta just create this wave of new people and we gotta support them to start skateboarding, learn how to do it, and keep pushing. I feel like there's a certain level that a person hits where they become a skater. And I feel like the level is through kickflip. But learning how to ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kickflip, that's the 7. Landing all of those 7 basic skateboard tricks makes you into like, okay, you've gone from like, I think I might want to skateboard into like, I'm now a skater. So I think the key is to take any barriers to learning those tricks away. From absolute 0 confidence, 0 like, I don't think I can even do this, to like, I'm fully learning how to do this trick, and up through all of those basics, I fully mastered the basics. I believe that at that point, you will become a skateboarder and you will want to continue. I also think that people that start to skateboard and they go, I just love the feeling of the freedom, I love pushing, I love just skating. The people that love that because they can always do that. That love that over like, oh, I tried this really hard trick and I did get it or I didn't get it, etc. Because if you put yourself up to the standard of like, I want to learn how to do a 360 flip, and then you don't land it, you'll start to feel like, I'm a failure, I'm a loser, I can't do that. But if you go the opposite direction, you go, I just love the feeling of riding my board, and now I'm gonna add tricks to that. Now I'm riding the board and adding tricks and loving that feeling even more. Now there's more and more freedom and it's more fun because the more tricks I can do, that I feel like is the person who's gonna continue skateboarding just forever. A little bit of a different mindset there between like, oh, I wanna learn every trick and I just love the feeling of skateboarding, period. So I would much rather go, hey, guys, you should learn how to ride a skateboard. It is so fun, just the pure feeling of freedom of riding that board and just pushing out there and getting just going is awesome. And the more you push yourself to do that, the more you'll go and have an absolute blast. But I wanted to make this video just to give some of those viewpoints. I am working on something new that I do think is gonna help the entire world learn how to ride a skateboard. I've been working on this for a very long time. You'll see some announcements on that soon. But for right now, can we all just go land a kickflip and say, thank you, Woodward West, or an ollie, or just push on your board. Go push on your board and say, thank you, Woodward West. I wanna personally say, thank you, Woodward West, for being so supportive of me, Braille skateboarding, the mission of Braille skateboarding and getting new people onto skateboards, and just for doing everything that you did. It's really rad having you guys there, really rad having the support, and I just appreciate everything you did for skateboarding. I do want everybody to know that Woodward East is still going. That's gonna remain, but Woodward West is gonna be closing and going away, and it's really sad and it super sucks, but I completely get it. Keeping a facility open like that is not easy. I completely understand. It's very, very, very difficult, and it does suck that it went away, but we gotta stay strong. We gotta keep pushing. This is our skateboarding, and skateboarding as a collective unit is going to be what we make it. So we have to push forward and we have to make skateboarding this positive, incredible place where people are pushing on their boards, learning new tricks, and having fun. I hope this message resonates with somebody out there. If you're struggling with any trick, keep pushing. You got this. I believe in you, and I hope you believe in yourself. You should believe in yourself because you absolutely can do it. I'll see you out there pushing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.